Kesana tatapang lukaku, kerenggang dapatku, kaluguran daka kasih, agyasa ng mimiwasku, lalu mo mana sakitku, kaluguran daka oy kamu. Pinabingan ako, mimiso nung malyari mo, pinakita na ka, piso ni kailang mamalyari, adwa ka tamong masabi, ang kaluguran na ka, bilang beses ko lang sinabi, ikwayo ng may kawani, ikwayo may kalas, ikwayo na rin na sila, ang puso ay alas, sinapak niya mong balas, ang puso ko may pik, hindi nanas ko, kakadyo panayali, nung balo mo sana, wala gawang pwede, ay nasabi ko na, kaluguran na ka kasi, nung may pulumawot, talo kung manasakit, basta ikasaya ka, hana ka manasakit, ngayon ang buri mo, apagamdaman ko, kaya buwari manamdaman ko, tama liit ko, pataminat ko, ang mga palwa ko, uling alana kong luwanan, o papawal ko. Eto sana tatapang luka ko, kerenggang dapatku, kaluguran daka kasi, agyasa ng mimiwas ko, lalo mo manasakit ko, kaluguran daka oy kamu.
Huwag kang magtaka kung ito'y nakakaka, papigilin niya dahil mahal kita, kaluguran daka ay yung malasakit ko, palo mo para sa'kin napakasakit, mas makakabuti na ako'y umiwas dahil sa ayoko masaktan, ayokong mabalisa, mas mabuting mag-isa kahit maparalisa, di mapakalisa, sitwasyon ko na sa arkabyadong kalagayan, gusto ko laging tagayan, bakit di mo ko damayan, halika ako'y damayan, agkas ako'y malasing at tuluyang mapraning, pag natulog ako neng, sana di na magising, ayoko na ganto, ayoko na ganyan, ayoko nang makita baka lalong masaktan, ayoko umiyak, ubus na aluwa ko, kaya paalam na mahal ako na alalayo.
Eto sana tatapang luka ko, kerenggang dapatku, kaluguran daka kasi, agyasa ng mimiwas ko, lalo mo manasakit ko, kaluguran daka oy kamu.
The feeling within this tune, you could be feeling the feeling too. You could be so in L-O-V-E-D, you see she has a boy. This girl has got this kid's out, but this kid has not got hers. Somebody else already took it just because he had came first. But I'm not just gonna stay here and do nothing at all about it. I don't shout shit, I write lyrics, go to the studio or I come out there. She said he loves her so much, but mine is times 1,000. Rhymes I could write a trillion and sing to her up on a mountain. I had a vision of me and I'm married now, I can't get over her. I don't know why it won't leave my mind, this supernatural girl. In fact, you know what, yo, I think she's an angel. I really want us to be together, but I don't think I'm able to. Anything is possible, I like her more than myself. I like her and it's distracting me and also my health. I can't sleep well, cause I'm always thinking of her. I can't sit down and relax, cause I'm waiting for my turn.
Eto sana tatapang luka ko, kerenggang dapatku, kaluguran daka kasi, agyasa ng mimiwas ko, lalo mo manasakit ko, kaluguran daka oy kamu.
Paalam ang lumalabas sa aking labi, sa lahat ng nangyari sa akin mo na isisi. Mahal kita ngunit kailangan lang, pagkat di nakayanan ng mga hadlang. Ikaw ang unang bumitaw at iniwan ako, luhay pumatak, bakit ba nagkaganito? Sumabay sa ulan ang pagpatak ng aking luha, sana ay kayakap kita. Huwag mo sanang limutin ang pag-ibig na inalay ko, dahil minamahal kita kahit ako'y lumalayo. Sana alam mo nasasaktan ako, dahil minamahal kita.
Eto sana tatapang luka ko, kerenggang depatku, kaluguran daka kasi agyasan ang mimiwas ko, lalo mo mana sakit ko, kaluguran daka oy kamu.
Every time I close my eyes,
Memories, baby, makes me cry. What you told me were just lies.
and now you say goodbye.
La da da.
La la la, sana naman.
Eto sana tatapang luka ko, kerenggang depatku, kaluguran daka kasi agyasan ang mimiwas ko, lalo mo manasakit ko, kaluguran daka oy kamu.
Huwag mo sanang
Yeah.
limutin ang
There you have it.
pag-ibig na inalay ko.
No worries, just chat with the man.